Welcome back to Wander and Invest. If you're joining us for the first time, this is the channel dedicated to helping you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. And if you've been with us before, welcome back to the journey. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions. Before we dive into today's episode, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's ready to improve their financial health, and subscribe to Wander and Invest. Our mission is simple: to provide free, actionable content to help you achieve your financial goals. Your credit score is one of the most important factors in real estate investing. It determines your ability to secure financing and the interest rates you'll pay, which can make or break your investment returns. What we'll cover in this video. 1. Credit score basics every investor should know. 2. Hacks to improve your score quickly. 3. How to leverage your credit score for real estate success. Let's say you're buying a $300,000 property. With a credit score of 750, you might qualify for a 4% interest rate, saving you over $15,000 in interest over the life of the loan, compared to a 6% rate for a lower score. That's money back in your pocket for future investments. Before we jump into hacks, let's quickly break down what goes into your credit score. 5 key factors that impact your credit score. 1. Payment history, 35%. Pay your bills on time. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. Keep balances under 30% of your credit limit. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. Older accounts are better. 4. Credit mix, 10%. A mix of credit cards, loans, etc. is ideal. 5. New credit inquiries, 10%. Avoid too many hard inquiries. Now for the good stuff. Here are 6 powerful hacks to boost your credit score and prepare for your real estate journey. Credit hack 1. Start by pulling your credit reports from all 3 bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. For starters, you can use annualcreditreport.com. For security purposes, freeze your credit profiles before disputing any errors that could be dragging your score down. Using tools like dispute letters from the FCRA or UCC guidelines, you can challenge incorrect late payments, collection accounts, or outdated information. Small corrections can result in a significant score jump. Credit hack 2. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your score. Reducing your balances to below 30% of your credit limit can give your score an instant boost. Credit hack 3. Ask a trusted family member to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. You'll inherit their positive payment history without using the card. Credit hack 4. Credit builder loans and secured credit cards are excellent tools for those starting or repairing their credit. They help you establish a consistent payment history. Credit hack 5. Leverage dispute letters by incorporating Black's Law terminology, UCC, and FCRA guidelines to challenge items like charge-offs or collections. If they can't verify the debt, they must remove it. Finally, credit hack 6. Don't apply for multiple loans or credit cards in a short period. Hard inquiries can drop your score by a few points each time. Once you've boosted your score, here's how to leverage it to succeed in real estate. A high credit score can mean lower interest rates, saving you thousands over the life of a loan. Some creative financing options, like lease options, owner financing, private money loans, cross-collateral loans, FHA loans, DSCR loans, cash-out refinance, or HELOCs, are easier to qualify for with a strong debt-to-income ratio and credit profile. Lenders are more likely to approve your loan application when you have an excellent credit score, making it easier to grow your portfolio. Before we wrap up, let's touch on another powerful tool for real estate investors: business credit. While personal credit is essential, establishing business credit can open up new opportunities, especially as your portfolio grows. With business credit, you can separate your personal and business finances, protect your personal credit score, and qualify for higher limits to fund investments. Form an LLC or corporation, get an EIN, employer identification number, and apply for a Duns and Bradstreet number for the business. Keep your personal and business transactions separate by opening a dedicated business bank account. Apply for Net 30 vendor accounts, which give you 30 days to pay invoices. Pay these on time to build a positive payment history. Once you've built your business credit, use it to fund real estate investments. For example, secure a business line of credit for down payments or finance property renovations with a business credit card. Lisa used her business credit to secure a $50,000 line of credit, funding a renovation that doubled her rental income. What's your favorite credit score hack? Or do you have a unique tip we didn't cover? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's worked for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone ready to boost their credit, and subscribe to Wander and Invest for more free content on building wealth. Next in our Real Estate Mastery series, we'll explore the best strategies for buying your first rental property. And don't forget, future episodes will take a deeper dive into leveraging business credit for real estate success.